Hey, what's up, Pundix holders? So, what's going on, my sweet brother? This time, the Pundix gone very down. So, this is the short notifying video. So, please keep watching. This is short video. I just notify you to what's going on and the Pundix at the same time and what's people react this time the reading. Okay, so this time, if you can see here, the Chinese as occur and negative. Brother, first of all, I request you before I get start this video, I request you if you are new on our channel, please subscribe our YouTube channel because this channel provide you a very latest updates and good news for all cryptocurrencies. Guys, this time Pundix totally goes down, and this is one big reason to this is I think very bad day and people are starting selling. So this is very bad time for Pundix holder. Pundix holder, you can see here the price has go down, the price has decreased totally. Price has decreased $5 to 4.30 US dollar, and this is the last 24-hour result. You can see here. Let's check out the market cap to what's going on in the market cap. You can see here in the last 1 hour they gone down 4.7. Oh, sorry, they increased in the last 1 hour. So absolutely the last 1 hour result as good, but the last 24-hour result is totally very bad. So my brother, please, I just notify you to this is not a selling time. Please, a lot of people starting selling, so this is absolutely very bad to you or selling at this same time. This is not a bad time. You know, this time the last 1 hour result you can see here they totally go starting good. So let's click on the good. How do you feel? So oh my goodness, 50% people feeling good, 50% feeling bad. So this is very, you can see here, this is half. You can see here half is people good and half people feeling bad. So you can see here also you voted at this time to what's going on in the Pundix, or what's people reaction on Pundix to day changes. So guys, you can see in the graph result totally goes down, and this is the last 24-hour result. You can see here totally goes down, but at the last 1 hour, with the last 1 hour they totally changed. They starting up. You can see here this time here yes, here you can see here the price go up. The price has increased to 4.30 US dollar, but if you can see here, let's check out here as the price 4.11 US dollar, but they change into 4.30 US dollar. So I hope in upcoming time they go like a rocket. They change the price into 5 US dollar. I hope they gone very fastly. The market cap as a market cap and decrease 0.5%. This is very bad, but I hope in upcoming days they go like a rocket. So absolutely don't sell it, please. I hope you don't sell it. Please hold it, and if you have any plan to buy more, then absolutely I think this is good time to you buy it. This time you can see here all-time high as a 10.07 US dollar. 10 point. I hope in upcoming time they cross it 10 US dollar. What you say, please tell me in the comment box. I hope they cross it 10 US dollar. You can see here, I hope they cross it. What you say, please share your opinion in the comment box. Thanks for watching Pundix holder. Pundix as a very fastest cryptocurrencies. Please like this video, please share this video, and please subscribe this channel for latest news and updates. I hope you enjoyed this video. Allah Hafiz, take care.